Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just got back from a hike, used the GoPro Hero Black version 7, just got it, and I have it here hooked up to the Shorty, which seems to work really well. Actually, I like that. I'll put a link to the Shorty in the description below. But what I wanted to spend time is to show you how I was able to get Facebook Live working, and I worked with customer support. They were great. So first of all, you want to make sure for your hotspot that you name it and you have that set up. So I'll show you. I've got mine set up. So what you want to do next is go into the GoPro app, and we're going to click on camera, and there is my camera. I'm going to click on it. It's going to connect to it, and it does take a few seconds. You see the Wi-Fi has come on, and now it could see what I can see here. So there you go. It's a slight delay, not too bad, but there is a slight delay. All right, so now what you want to do is I'm going to move this up here. You want to slide the bar down the bottom to live, and then click on setup live. So now what you're going to do, would you like to connect to New York City Kids? If this is your hotspot, it will use your data plan. I'm going to click OK. So it's connecting to it. So far, so good. Now, you can name what you want to name it. We're going to do test, and then test. So now, that's it. And now it's ready to go live on my camera there. It says ready. Get real close so you can see there it says ready. And now I'm going to click go live. And now we are live, and I can view it on Facebook. I can open up with the app, and people can see what I am showing. So we are live doing a Facebook test with the GoPro Hero Black 7. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share this with you. Very cool. You can see there's a slight delay. And then to end it, let's see, I think I can back out, and then I could just click the bottom button, and that's it. Facebook is done. Facebook Live is done. So that's really it. Now, one of the things in the setting you will have to, during the setup process, when you do want to connect to for Facebook for the initial setup, you will pick that hotspot, and you'll connect that, and you could see it. Again, it's just so easy. So I'm gonna again click on my camera, and it just connects perfectly. So there you go. Just wanted to share this with you. And then again, I'm just gonna go here to setup live. Again, when you go into that setup live, it already knows the network that I've chosen. So it's going, you could say searching for network. But if I click cancel this time, you could select a Wi-Fi, and that would be from the list there, and then you would then go into your hotspots, and you would be able to connect. So there you go. Just wanted to share this with you. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.